Hi friends. Today is Saturday. Few days back, I recognized like I should order a headset, and I ordered it. This is Boat 1000D, the new version of Boat for gaming headset, and this I bought from Boat website because I used a coupon code of my friend, so I was getting that discount. So I didn't bought from Amazon. I directly bought from the official website. Let's open it. Oh, great! This is awesome, especially the logo and the covering and everything is too awesome. This is the first, I think, boat brand which is launched for gaming headset. Especially this is the RGB light, which you will play, which will play automatically when you plug this earphone. Let me open it. Oh, so let me try this. It is very much packed. Don't know how to open. Yeah, got it. Many things just fell apart, but this is the headphone. This is the boat sticker, and this is the manual, which I will not read. This is the charger. Sorry, this is the mic which they have given, which I recognize it strongly. It's a mic, and this is the controller, and which you can control manually. This is the USB. That's the drawback. It does not give a aux cable. It only gives this USB, which you can play in your console and your laptop devices where the USB is supported. Apart from it, it has a braided cable, and let me put in the my yeah, it looks very cool, especially the logo. So this is a very, what do you call, comfortable you will feel once you wear this headphone, and it is not like hard or something. It's very soft. So let me plug this and let me pause a video. So I have plugged the headset in my laptop, and see, it's lighting. It's not controllable, it's not customizable, but when you listen to the music, it will automatically change the color. So the first headset from Boat for the gaming industry. The sound quality is good. The bass is okay, but it's good. It's really good. I've not tested the mic. I will test it, but even the mic quality will be good. Let me just open it. So this is a very cool headset. See, especially the color change in the dark room. It will just bang. It will do. You will feel very cool when you wear it. Thank you. And this is the unboxing video of Boat 1000D. You can buy it. I have tested many earphones. Like when I was buying this headphone, I went for Cosmic Byte and Espa and Ant, Red Gear, but with 2200, 2500, this headset, I think it's a good choice because it's a new one and latest feature is there. Just a drawback, it has a USB cable. It does not give a aux cable. Otherwise, it's too awesome to use it. Thank you.